The government of Orissa is very helpful to us. They have whatever we demand, they give us. Now, this Bay of Bengal, if you see, this is a cyclone-prone area. Every year there will be one or two cyclones. So, what we have analyzed all during the existence of Coast Guard is better to prevent, because after that, it takes a lot of time to recover and all that. So, what we do is we believe in protection. That means nowadays you can see that IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, gives you early warnings about cyclones, etc., etc. So we get enough time. So what we do is we try to warn our fishermen. We recall them. We in fact count each and every fish and a fishing boat and a fisherman whether they have returned back before the 12 hours of the cyclone hitting. So we ensure that. Regarding merchant vessels, etc., we tell them to take protection in safe areas, be out of the way of the cyclone. So we ensure that. And by the grace of God and our preparedness and all that, last 5-6 years in this area, there has been no loss of life at sea of our fishermen. Yes, there have been some fishermen from Bangladesh and all that, but we have saved them also. So I can say that our standard operating procedures are really working very fine.
So last question, what you are going to do with coast upgradation of Odisha coast with the help of government of Odisha?
Yeah, we have requested government of Orissa for some land and ports like Gopalpur. Our vision is that we want to develop this area, Orissa. We have only one, Paradeep is a harbour here, but there are so many other harbours which are coming in Orissa. So we want our presence there, including Gopalpur. Gopalpur we have based one smaller ship, but we want to strengthen Orissa and West Bengal. So for that matter, infrastructure is very necessary. So all the new ports which are going to come, we are going to ask for a lot of land so that we can develop some infrastructure.